Ahoy, everyone! Haha, get ready to roll the dice on some probability. Let's start on the title slide. Probability is all about measuring how likely things are to happen. Like how likely it is that your favourite football team will finally win, or maybe lose again. Right, let's dive in. Moving to the next slide. On this slide, we're introducing the basics. Referring to the definition, probability is just a fancy way of saying how certain or uncertain we are that something will happen. And here's the best bit. It's always between 0 and 1. 0 means absolutely no chance, and 1 means it's definitely happening. So say your friend tells you there's a 0 probability they'll eat the last slice of pizza. You can definitely count on it staying put, right? Haha, think again. Ready? On to the next slide. Now here's a classic. Flipping a coin. There are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. Since each has an equal chance, the probability for either outcome is 1/2 or 0.5. This means every time you flip, you've got a 50% chance for each side. So if you're someone who keeps flipping and betting on heads and getting tails, hey, don't blame me. It's just the way probability works. All right, to our next example. Here we go with a dice example. We're looking at a standard 6-sided die with faces numbered from 1 to 6. If we want the probability of rolling a 3, well, there's only one 3 among 6 faces. That means our probability is 1/6 or roughly 0.167. So if you're feeling lucky and betting on that 3, keep in mind it's only a 16.7 chance. Not exactly the best odds, but hey, anything could happen. Now, let's move on to the summary. To wrap it up, here's what we've learned. Probability measures how likely something is to happen, from impossible, 0, to certain, 1. You see this in everything, from games to science to even financial forecasts. Probability is like the language of uncertainty. It helps us understand the world's unpredictability. And remember, the next time someone bets you on a coin flip, you'll know just how fair that 50% chance really is. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more. Oh, let's sing a little jingle here. What are the odds? Who really knows? Just one flip and there it goes. See you next time, and may the odds be ever in your favour.